Today on How We Do It Here, guacamole. I've eaten a lot of guacamole and I love guacamole, and I've come up with a recipe that I particularly like the best I've ever eaten. Now that's one bowl of guacamole. To get your avocados to ripen faster, put them in a fruit bowl with some fruit. Or you can put them in a bag with some fruit, a closed bag. But I find they ripen pretty good if you put them next to other fruit. Stack them together like that. And how we do it here. How we do it here, guacamole. This is three avocados. You use 4 small, and this is about a medium-sized avocado. So you use 3 of these. And you see if they're ripe, you can see them pushing in on it. It's easy to push in, it's ready to go, it's ripe. And then you simply just cut the avocado. I don't worry about the stem right there, the pit, whatever you call it, stem. You just simply cut it. Open it up. And you remove the pit in the middle. It's a big pit. Well, I've already done 2 of them, so. And here's the. Simply take it out of this, and out of the hull. They're real soft. When they're soft like this, that's the way I like them. I like them good and ripe. If they're not this soft, you can let them ripen some more. These are some pretty good avocados. A lot of people cut the pits out and take that part of the avocado out. Yeah, that's a pit. Anyway, you just smash them up. Use a fork, smash them up. How we do it here. How we do it here. There's only 5 ingredients that we use. And the only chopping you have to do is the onions. Get everything smashed up. A lot of guacamole. Once everything's smashed up real good, we're going to come back and add the ingredients. Like I said, there's only 5 ingredients. We use the chopped onions. And we use rotel, which is right here. Rotel has diced tomatoes and green chilies. And we use salsa or piccata sauce. The salsa is a little thicker than the piccata sauce, if you like thick. And they both have jalapeno peppers in them. You get your jalapeno peppers, you get your green chilies with your rotel. This is the rotel we use. Got green chilies. We use paste, salsa, that has the jalapeno peppers in it. or you can use paste piccata sauce, which is a little thinner. The salsa will be thicker. And we'll go with 1/3 cup of onions. We got 1/2 cup of rotel. It says the green chilies. You can see the green chilies in the rotel. And this is salsa, the paste salsa. It has a jalapeno in it. And then our secret ingredient is Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. We use 1/2 teaspoon. Put that in there. And we just simply mix everything up. How we do it here. Use a spoon. This will be some very good guacamole. The only thing you have to do is chop up the onions, and you end up with peppers, jalapenos, green chilies, a lot of tomatoes. Tony Chachere's adds quite a bit to it. It's Cajun in this dish. That is some very good guacamole. How we do it here.